Okay, guys, ito ako reminder ko lang. Don't be pressured in following exactly the steps of the viral video. Okay? So you create your own. You create your own moves, your own style. Okay? At yung pinakamalakas na palakpak na makakuha sa audience, yun po ang mananalo. Okay? Sige po maybe this time challenge pero freestyle. Pero if you want to follow the exact steps, open it, please. May practice na. Nakakita na ba kayo ng maybe this time, the scuba diving style? Nakaka-excite yun. O sir, may plano ka ba? Wala naman. Okay, sige, pasimulan ko natin kay sir, no? Okay. Sir, okay. Sir Joey, no? Sir Joey. Isa-isa po ito, Sir Joey, simple lang, Okay, maybe this time. Ready ka na? Ready. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Joey is going to dance with the music of Maybe This Time, the viral song. Dance. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. Cheer. Music. Scuba diving. Usap tapos. Sir Joey, good job. Okay. Sir, sige po sa gilid. Gawin namin. Siguro yung si Ma'am siguro, no? Sa gitna kasi, siguro. LJ, right? Tagal na ng heels, no? Sige. Okay, LJ is going to dance. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po para kay LJ. Good job, music! Almost the same pero kakaiba. Yes, sir. LJ is done with her performance now. Sir Julius. Okay. Sir Julius, wala daw po siyang alam. Sir, any random moves will do. Kahit anong galawan. Kahit ano basta, gusto mo magmakarena ka? O gusto mo mag-cha-cha ka? O gusto mo Gabi sir, kahit sa nalikling, hindi mo alam. Hindi ka ba nag-field day nung bata? O sige sir, tara ba? Sige. Asan pa yung mga fans, mga supporters ni Sir Julius? Ayan o. Sa mga, makikinig ako, magbigay mo yung mga fans, supporters. Ayan o. Sir, ang tayo mo supporter, huwag mo sila bibiguin. Diba? Ayan na lang. Sir, kung sir pinatago ka dyan, ilabas mo na. Okay? So, any random move will do. Okay? So, Sir Julius is here. Any random moves, pinapawisan po ng malagyan si Sir. Pag-check na lang siya. It's all for fun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman ulit kay Sir Julius. DJ Music. Okay, sige. Sige po. Sir Julius, sige po tayo. Yan. LJ, sa gitna ka. Sir Joey, okay. So, mahirap makita ang pinakamangusay kung susuportahan ninyo na hindi sabay-sabay. So, sabay-sabay po sila mag-perform ngayon. Okay, sabay-sabay. Before kayo mag-decide ng ating winner. Okay, ready? Okay, Sir Julius, LJ, Joey, get ready. Final round, showdown, sabay-sabay. Palakpakan naman dyan! Robert, DJ Music. Okay, so ladies and gents, ito palakpakan na hiyawan na, yung pinakamalakas yun naman nanalo. Okay. Kay Sir Julius! Okay. Pinapawisan, nakakapagod po yun, nakakapagod yun, ha? Okay, anyway. Kay LJ. Yan kayo pakasiguro. Okay. Sige. Kay Joey. I have to say, Joey is the winner! Binago mo ang trend. Yun na ang pag-uusapan ngayon. Okay ba? Okay, thank you so much, Joey. And, Julius, to Joey. Okay. Isang performance pang last na. Sige na, nakakabitin eh. Okay, DJ Music naman. Para naman. Okay, you all had fun watching it. Thank you so much, and also to the participants. And right now,